The Canary Islands are located on the coast of Africa, so we enjoy a unique subtropical climate in Europe. Only 3 days by ship from the European continent, it makes us a very close supplier of avocados, so the quality of our product is not affected by such transport. The relevant fieldwork of the last decades has resulted in a considerable increase of production that enables us to cover the national and international market. The most distinguishable feature of the Canary avocado is the intense flavor, with nuances to nuts or almonds, directly related to the high content of healthy fats that it contains, helping to delay the oxidation of the fruit. The pulp, of intense yellow color, has a consistent appearance, smooth and easy to spread. Have you already tried the Canary avocado?